How to backup and restore WhatsApp chats on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So backing up and restoring WhatsApp chat on Android is simple with the Google Drive or local backups, and here's how you can do it. The first thing you can do is you can use your Google Drive. So open your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select Settings. Navigate to the chats and then select Chat Backup. Here, click on your Google account and then link your Google account by choosing Backup to Google Drive if you haven't already. Pick how often you want backups, daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap on Backup. Then start backup. It's best to connect Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data. And you can also use the local backup. WhatsApp automatically creates a local backup every day at 2 a.m. The local backup file can be found in internal storage, so you can enable auto backup and set up regular backups to prevent losing data. Or you can check your Google Drive storage, ensure that you have enough space there, and use the same Google account because backups are linked to the account used for setup. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.